Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to find old servers and grow a garden on Roblox. Super useful if you're hunting for rare items, old progress, or just want a low-pop server. Let's jump right into it. First, open Roblox and search for Grow a Garden in the Experiences tab. Once you're on the game page, scroll down until you see the Servers section. Click on Descending and change it to Ascending. Click on the Load More or See All Servers button at the bottom. Now start clicking and joining these low population servers one by one. Once you're in, check if the environment or progress seems like an old server, like time-based events already started or certain plants already grown. If it's not what you're looking for, simply leave and try the next one. It's a bit of trial and error, but with a little patience, you'll eventually land in a classic or old server. That's it. Super simple. If this helped, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and share this tip with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.